Okay, so this is Jenna. I'm gonna be explaining the 6.4 Algebra course quiz. Okay, so for the first question, this is as simple as it is. For this whole quiz, it's gonna be about compounded interest, compounded annually, stuff like that. Okay, so the rule you need to know to at least get maximum 2 questions of these right, okay, is P times 1 plus r to the power of n, okay? So, P is principal, 1 is 1, r is annual interest rate, and n is the time, okay? So here it's 10 years, okay? So let's fill in the values, okay? So P is 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. Times 1 plus 4%. 4% is 0.04, okay? So 0.04. And then n is 10 years, okay? Do that on your calculator. You get 17762.9. They want to the nearest dollar, so it's 177.63. So 17,763. Okay? Second question. Second question is a bit more complicated than that because they're not asking for the what's it called, the accumulated value. They're asking for the annual interest rate, okay? So first thing, the formula is A equals, let me write it on top so we can have space. So okay, so the formula is A equals P 1 plus R N, okay? So here they want the annual interest rate, so they want the R, okay? And they don't give us the value of anything except the N, which is 20 years, okay? This is how much they invested, but it's not the principal, okay? Here they're telling you the interest annually triples. So 3P is A. A is 3P equals P 1 plus R 20, okay? Then you can cancel P and P, so it's 3 equals 1 plus R to the power of 20. Move power of 20 to the other side, it becomes 1 plus R equals 20 radical 3, okay? Then we do R equals 20 radical 3 minus 1. Do that on your calculator. Let me do it on mine. If you want to do that, go to your calculator, press shift and the radical sign, and then go up to the 3 and do delete, and then put the number you want to put, okay? And then go back down and write 3, do a space, minus 1. You get 0.0564 and so on, okay? So let me clear the page. So we get 0.0565 because 4, 6, and 5, okay? Now they want in percentage, so multiply it by 100 and you get 5.646. So 5.65, because in all of them it was to 2 decimal places, okay? Now third question. Okay, here it's the same rule. So A equals P 1 plus R to the power of N, okay? So let's look for us. So principal is 12,000. That's we found P. Interest rate, it's 4% monthly. So whenever it's monthly, it's always over 12, okay? And then to the nearest dollar, the accumulated value of the money after 10 years. So our N is 10 years. But because this was monthly, That means we have to multiply this 10 by a 12. Okay, we divide the r by 12 and we multiply the like accumulated value or the time by 12. Okay, so a equals, we said the principal is 12,000. Okay, plus 4% is 0.04 over 12, and then 10 times, let me do it here, 10 times 12, isn't it 120? It's simple math, you don't need a calculator for it. Okay, so 120. Do this on your calculator. Do 12000 brackets 1 plus 0.04 over 12, then to the power of 120, and you get 17889.9. Okay, they said to the nearest dollar, so it goes to 17889, sorry, not 889, to 190. Okay, and that is your answer. Question 4 and the last question. Okay, this is the normal equation. We don't have to do anything out of the ordinary. Okay, so let's write the equation on top again. P1 plus R, and you have to memorize this equation by heart. Okay, so the principal is amount invested in bank the high. Okay, so principal is 550, and then 1, like I said, 7% is 0.07 plus, so 0.07, and this is compounded annually, and this is in 4 years, so you don't have to do any like extra steps. Okay, and then to the power of 4, let's do it on our calculators. 1.07 to the power of 4. Okay, you get 720.937. Okay, here this proves to you that your answer is right. I tell you how, because they're telling you and 94 cents. So when you round 937 up, it goes to 94. So this proves to you that 720 is your answer, because you don't know the right answer in the exam. Here we can see the right answers, صح? But in the exam you don't know the right answer. So whenever you get the right cents, that means you kind of guarantee that you got the right answer. Okay, and that's section 6.4 of the algebra course revision quizzes done. Good luck.